In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Google Drive files to a zip file. If you've ever needed to bundle several documents, photos, or folders into one neat package for easier sharing or downloading, a zip file is exactly what you want. The process in Google Drive is simple and built right in, so you don't need any extra software. First, open Google Drive in your browser and head to the location of the files or folders you want to include. Click once to highlight an item. To pick more than one, hold Shift to select a range or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to select individual items. You can also pick an entire folder if you want everything inside it zipped together. When you are done, make sure all desired items are visibly highlighted. Next, right-click on the highlighted selection and choose Download from the menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. This tells Google Drive to package what you selected. As soon as you click Download, Google Drive prepares a zip file for you. You'll see a brief preparing download message while it compresses the content. The time this takes depends on how many files you chose and their size. Keep the tab open while this runs so the process isn't interrupted. When it's ready, your browser will start downloading the zip automatically, and you'll see the usual download indicator. By default, it will land in your computer's Downloads folder, unless you've set a different location. A quick note here, if you select only one file, Drive may simply download that file as is instead of creating a zip. If your goal is to end up with a zip archive, select multiple files or choose a whole folder before you click Download. That guarantees Drive bundles everything into a single zip. That's all there is to it. Open Drive, select what you want. Right-click Download, and let Google handle the compression and transfer. If you are working with a lot of large files, give it a little extra time and make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough disk space for the final zip. Once the download finishes, you'll have a compact, shareable archive ready to move, upload, or keep as a backup. You can rename the file after it arrives if you want something more descriptive. Google often names it after the first item or the folder. And remember, the zip preserves your folder structure. So when someone opens it later, everything will be organized just like it was in Drive. Thanks for watching.